Hi there, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title for today's video is Why Do Most Fail at Affiliate Marketing? Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Hi there, before we get into today's topic, if you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to turn on the notifications, they're very important. Okay, today's topic, affiliate marketing. Why do most people fail at affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is not complicated. When you introduce a new customer to a product or service, you receive a commission for introducing that new customer. Let's go to my website, company website. So on this page, the resources page, I have lots of companies that I have an affiliate marketing relationship with. So TubeBuddy is one, SEMrush is another, Grammarly is another, Amazon Business, Samsung, Constant Contact, Bluehost. So there's just a few of the affiliate marketing relationships, Shopify, a few of the affiliate marketing relationships that I have with companies, Coinbase. Scrolling all the way down, you can have a look at all of those. The reason that a lot of people fail with affiliate marketing, I think there are two key reasons. The first reason is that they are not consistent. So they may promote their affiliate links when they've just signed up. They may promote them on Twitter, on Instagram, on Facebook, and then have a wave of enthusiasm. So at the start of the relationship, it's tweet this, it's post this, update here, featuring all of their dedicated affiliate marketing links, and that's good, and that's a good start to the relationship. But when they find out that after some weeks, months, they've not had any commissions, or they've had very little commissions, people understandably lose interest, lose enthusiasm for these affiliate marketing relationships, and stop posting them on their social media channels. And when they do that, because they stop posting them, people do not retain that information front of mind, so they believe, they forget about them essentially. So if you're not posting on a consistent basis, people will forget about your affiliate marketing relationships. They'll forget about the offers that you're presenting to them, because often when you tweet these links, you're inviting someone to a special offer, and that's an incentive for them to sign up for the product or service that you're promoting as an affiliate. So number one is consistency. People lose enthusiasm and then they're not consistent in promoting their affiliate links. That's number one. Number two, and perhaps more significant in many ways, is that people who sign up for affiliate relationships to become an affiliate of a particular brand, company, and I gave you some examples just a few moments ago, they don't necessarily have an audience. So if you don't have an audience, who is going to redeem your offers? So I have an audience on YouTube of approaching 15,000 at the day of recording of this, and I also have an audience on LinkedIn of around 6,000 or 7,000 direct connections. I have an audience on Twitter of 20,000. I should really stop and post you. Let me just include these links. Here's my profile on LinkedIn. Here's my profile on Twitter, and there's also Instagram. So you need to have an audience. If you don't have an audience, either on LinkedIn, YouTube, or Twitter, Instagram, etc., then there's nobody going to see your affiliate links. So work hard to build an audience, and when you build an audience, it will make affiliate marketing easier for you, and then you'll be able to earn, with your consistent activity, you'll be able to earn commissions, and that's key. So affiliate marketing does work, but you just need to work hard on building your audience. And one of the ways of building your audience, let's go back to so here I am on my company website. I'm going from the resources page now to the blog page. One of the ways of building an audience is by the creation of value-added content. So if you're creating content on a weekly basis, then that's going to build an audience. If you're creating content on YouTube on a regular basis, let's have a look at my uploads. So this is my upload page. Just last week I uploaded 4 new videos. if you're creating content on a regular basis, you'll be able to build an audience. When you've built an audience, either via YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, when you've built an audience and you're creating content, you will start to have a greater community that can redeem your affiliate marketing offers. So it's not that affiliate marketing is a scam or it doesn't work. You need two things. You need the consistency, I talked about that earlier in this video, and you need an audience. And if you don't have one of those, then you're not going to be able to convert very many people to your affiliate offers. You're going to be lose enthusiasm. You're going to become disillusioned with the whole process of affiliate marketing, even though it works. And it goes without saying that the larger your audience, the more effectively it's going to work. So when I get to a stage when I've got 140,000 YouTube subscribers, I'm going to be making even more money from affiliate marketing and affiliate marketing relationships than I am now, because my audience isn't as large. When it gets larger, your percentages and your conversion rates will mean that you'll make more money. So if you're losing heart or you're feeling underwhelmed by the responses you've had to your affiliate marketing activities at the moment, just keep working on the audience. That's the best thing. Put time into building your audience with content, with value-added information, with videos, with blog posts, with insights, and then you'll reap the rewards of that long-term strategy, i.e. building content, building your audience via content, and that will turn into more currency coming your way in terms of commissions. In another video, I'll talk about some of the best recurring commissions for affiliate marketing. But for this video, I just wanted to focus on why people are failing with affiliate marketing, and it's usually they're not consistent. And I understand that, completely understand that. Human nature, if you're not getting a lot of response, you're going to give up on something. Don't give up. And also not having an audience. If you've only got, let's say, 500, 600 followers on Twitter and less than 1,000 followers on Facebook, is that a large enough audience to generate significant affiliate marketing income? And I would suggest it's not. So keep working on the audience, and you will see the benefits and you will see the rewards. Thanks for watching all the way through. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, give me a like. Click on one of the two thumbnails to watch another video. I look forward to speaking to you next time. Thanks, bye-bye. And if you haven't subscribed already,